Hello my dear students, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's session, we'll be dealing questions regarding hydrology and irrigation for BARC 2023. So come on guys, let's be quick. Join the session soon so that we can start. I guess I'm audible, I'm visible so that we can start the session soon. Fast, fast, fast. Okay. So we'll proceed guys. We'll proceed. Let's be quick. So we'll proceed simultaneously by that time. Okay. So I guess I was just sharing so that maximum students can take the benefit of it. So we'll start. Before that, let me tell you that there's a free workshop. If you're planning that you want to pursue a career in IES, and if you are having your studies, you're focusing on that category, then there is a free workshop by Sanjay Rathi sir. You can join that. This workshop will be live on 28th of February at 7:30 p.m. Okay. Coming up next, you can join my Telegram group for further updates regarding. And next is we'll start the session. Okay. So I'm audible, right? So we can start the session accordingly. Let me tell you, we'll be dealing with 17 questions, and these questions are very much not that tough, not that easy. Some questions are easy, some questions you have to apply your brain. And let me tell you, 120 minutes, 100 questions. So don't be it's like questions will be tough, conventional questions. If those questions will come, you have to leave those questions. Okay, that is the main strategy. So guys, let's start the session. This is the first question. Come on guys, start the solving the question fast. Fast, fast, fast. Be fast so that we can proceed. Be quick. We'll be solving questions then. Okay. So the first question is given to you. Field capacity and optimum moisture content is given to you. Density of soil is given to you. Effective depth is given to you. It is asking you how much water is available for evapotranspiration. How will you do that? Technically, it is asking you the depth of water stored in root zone. So this will be how much? I'll take it white color. Field capacity minus optimum moisture content. This will be equal to gamma W dW upon gamma D D. So from here, this will be 1, nothing is mentioned. This will be 1.3. dW we have to calculate. D is 70 centimeter. Here field capacity is 0.28 minus 0.16. So from here, you will get the value of dW. How much it will come out to be? It will come out to be 10.92 centimeter. Okay, so this is the value of dW. Come on. Now dealing with the next question. I guess I'm audible, right? There's no problem with the voice and all. Okay, D. Correct. Correct, Subbu. Now, this question. Here, initial infiltration, final infiltration is given to you. It is asking you the cumulative infiltration at the end of 2 hours. So, if it is asking you cumulative, by default, what you have to do? You have to integrate. So, I'll integrate from 0 to 2 just in a single I'll solve it. And you won't believe such sort of question has been asked in GATE in this year, GATE 2023. Okay, so this will be 1.44 plus, this will be how much? 7.32 minus 1.44 e to the power minus 3.4 t ration dt. So this will be 1.44 t. I'm just directly doing the integration. There is no need for this. Okay, and 7.32 minus 1.44 will become how much? This will become 5.88. So 5.88, if you integrate, there's no need for integration, but fine, I'll do it. This time I'm doing it dt. So this will be 1.44, 2 minus 0. Good evening, Tiksha. 5.88 minus 3.4 e to the power minus 3.4 into 2 minus 3.4 into 0. How much you will be getting? Come on, how was your paper GATE? This one. Come on. Solve it. Very basic question. Good evening. ये क्या नाम रखा भाई? छिपकली. ये तो बड़ा एक जन आया था क्रोकोडाइल, अब छिपकली, मतलब अब पूरा जू आएगा. चलो, solve it and tell me how much it is coming, guys. I'm waiting for you. See, let me tell you one thing. If you are thinking that I'll do it in recorded format, so let me tell you here 120 minutes 100 questions. So you have to boost your speed. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि you do wrong things, because one question carries 3 marks. So 300 marks, the cutoff is 155 marks. So approximately 55 questions to 60 questions, let us take it. If you do it approximately correct, you have a chance that you will make it up to the interview. So people will say that it's conventional questions will come. Of course, some conventional questions may come, but that is something which you have to leave. Some years, some people have told this question was coming. Some years, somebody said this topic is coming. That doesn't mean every year that topic will be coming. So you have to study everything, okay? But pay a special emphasis on those topics. How much it is coming? Afternoon shift, okay. Okay, how much you are getting? Tell me, everybody tell me this one, how much you are getting and how much you are getting. Tiksha, you talk to me, huh? 4.6. Talk to me in Telegram. We'll talk regarding it. Okay, so this is the simple question. I don't think there is anything tough in this question. Then this one. An iso height is line joining points of. Line joining points of. Like we have dealt in isoheital method. And guys, those who are preparing, prepare solidly for the interview. Don't worry if you are well equipped, if you have studied for GATE. I'll trust me. See, in GATE, 180 minutes, 65 questions. Apply your basic common sense. Don't say that the paper was tough, we are not able to. Apply your basic common sense. 180 minutes, 65 questions. 120 minutes, 100 questions. If 100 questions will be tough, then who will be able to solve? So if you are like terrified, I'm telling you not to get. If you are able to attempt 60 questions also correctly, then your probability of getting selected in the interview increases. So don't worry regarding it. Okay, people will say it like this, tough, those things. Take it out from your mind. Just be solid in your preparations, you will make it up. How much it will be coming? Equal rainfall depth. Correct. This question. The probability that a 100-year flood is equaled or exceeded at least once. कम से कम एक बार. At least exceeded at once. At least नहीं लिखा, at once लिखा. देखो भाई, देखने में भी गलती हो जाती है. At once means one. NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. So 100-year exceeded की बात ही नहीं. At once means only once. Once. Probability of occurrence 1 by T, 1 by 100, 0.01. Non-occurrence 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.01. This will be 0.99. So this will become how much? 0.01 to the power 1, 0.99. This will be 99. How much it will come? How much it will come? I want the answer from you guys. I'm not going to give this. Tiksha, Sidhu, Rama, I want the answer from you guys. How much it will come? Fast. How much it is coming? 0.36. Correct. Very good. Next question. Catchment area is given to you. The equilibrium discharge in meter cube. Now let me tell you. The one formula which you remember, that is 2.778 A by D, or you call it as 2.78 A by D. That formula you use it. If you remember this, 2.78 AD. A will be in kilometer square. D will be in hours. You will get the discharge in meter cube per second. This you use it when you want to get the discharge in meter cube per second. Although you can use it and convert it for getting in meter cube per hour. Okay. But you can directly go through the basics. You will get it in meter cube per hour. So you should know both the things. That will be good for you. Good evening, Richa. Okay. Tell. Discharge. How you will get it? Anybody? KPCA you call it, CIA you call it. So if you see it here, nothing is mentioned. Intensity of rainfall. Intensity of rainfall, since we are talking about unit hydrograph, 1 centimeter. How much hour? 6 hours. Catchment area is 120 kilometers. That's it. Convert centimeter to meter. Convert kilometer square into meter square. That's it. You will get the answer in meter cube per hour. How much you are getting? A. Correct. 0.2 into 10 raised to power 6. अब देखो questions में in हड़बड़ी don't do that because questions are very simple. Only thing is sometimes questions become so simple that you are like, you'll solve it. But be careful with the unit. Come on. This is direct question, will not take more than a minute. Come on guys. Even it will not require calci also. A rain gauge recorded hourly rainfall as 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter for a 4-hour storm. Phi index is given to you. That means the rainfall which is given to you, that is for per hour only. You have to calculate the total direct runoff. Come on guys. Got the answer A. Okay. So phi index means the infiltration. Phi index means the infiltration, and here will be this portion will be the effective rainfall. So direct runoff will be how much? Either go through the formula or go through the basics, nothing. 5 centimeter out of 5 centimeter per hour, 3 centimeter will be infiltrated. 2 centimeter, everything will be infiltrated. 4 minus 3. 3 centimeter. Who was saying A for the, you are saying for the previous one, then it's 3 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Come on guys, not that tough. See, tendency is that when 5-6 statements are written, so we are like 5-6 lines are written, you think that it is tough, but it is not. Okay. And अगर आ भी गए कुछ क्वेश्चन टफ तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई, लोग डराने के लिए बोलेंगे ये क्वेश्चन आगे छोड़ दो, वो क्वेश्चन छोड़ने के लिए बनाए, या बाद में अगर टाइम बच जाता है, जिसके चांसेस कम है, पर अगर बच जाता है तो कर लेना. ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व दिस. A catchment of area 100 hectare receive 10 centimeter of rainfall, matlab precipitation 10 centimeter. Here answer it is asking in meter cube, so just tell the precipitation in meter cube. 10 centimeter, 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, and 100 hectares, that is 10 raised to power 4 meters square. How much it will come? Total precipitation, how much it will come? Just check it out. Tell me. Then at the outlet of the catchment, the stream draining the catchment was dry and experienced a runoff lasting for 8 hours. 8 hours की आपको क्या मिल रहा है? Runoff मिल रहा है. ठीक है, जिसमें average discharge value was 2 meter cube per second. So it was asking how much is the loss? How much is the loss? How will you calculate, guys? How will you calculate? How will you calculate? Runoff is given to you. Precipitation is given to you. How you will calculate? See, discharge is 2 meter cube per second. 8 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So this will tell me the runoff value. How much it will come as 2 into 8 into 60 into 60. This will come out to be 57600. This will be the runoff. Okay, this will be the runoff. Then this will be. See, I am doing it in this calculator, but you make sure of practicing in virtual calculator. This is 3, 4, 5, 10 raised to power 5 meter cube. That's it. That's it. Losses. Even you can do it manually also, but I am a lazy person, so I am doing it with this. Precipitation minus runoff. So 10 raised to power minus 5 minus 57600. How much it is coming? Tikshan Sagar, they are saying it is coming out to be 42400. Correct. Okay. Next question. This question, I don't think even you, if you want a one line, you can write the formula, but I don't think you even need to write in with your pen also. The exit gradient in the absence of downstream sheet pile. What will be the answer? Wrong, Dinesh. Okay, tell me. See, question is simple, but you guys will make mistake. Come on, Tiksha and everybody, tell me. H upon D into 1 by pi root lambda. Absence of downstream sheet pile. D will become 0. What will G become? Now tell me. What will G become? It is not asking anything else. It is asking you the exit gradient. What it will become? Infinity? Got that? See, if you guys do wrong also, don't need to delete it. हमारे बीच क्या ये सब? चलो, this is formula based question. This is a formula based question. To carry a discharge of 100 meter cube per second, the perimeter from Lacey's theory is about. It is asking you the perimeter. ये तो मुझे लगता है जरूरत ही नहीं है कुछ करने की. Okay? This question. How can we forget this? Let's be quick. We have only 17 questions. So, fast. An agricultural land of 437 hectares is used to irrigate a particular crop. Base period is given to you how much? 90 days. Total depth is given to you 105 centimeter, but rainfall occurred of 15 centimeter. So how much delta is required? 105 minus 15. How much it will become? 90 centimeter. Now it is asking you the duty. So what is the duty? Delta is equal to 8.64 B by D. Or if you want to take it as a centimeter, 864 B by D. Okay. So it's up to you, whichever you want. I have the habit of taking delta in meters. So I'm taking like this. 8.64 base period. 90 days duty. Tell me the answer. How much? 864. Oh, 864 is the answer. See, here, area is given for no reason. It is not at all required also. Okay, so remember, it's not always that some data is given just for confusing you guys. Okay, and let me tell you, some years, some topics, questions are being asked frequently. Some years, some other topics. If somebody tells you that this I have, basically this will come every year, so it's not like that. Okay, you have to pay attention to those topics also. Remember that in mind. Okay, come on. Velocity. Again the formula based. Discharge is given to you. Silt factor is given to you. You have to calculate the velocity. How will you calculate? How will you calculate? I guess you have, might have not forgotten the formula right now because like gate paper is over, we'll forget it. Don't do like that, okay? Because I have taken a session. If you guys remember, if you haven't seen the exams for engineers to get direct government jobs, as soon as the notifications and all will be released, I'll update you regarding that also. But yeah, you have to pay attention to those exams also because ultimately your aim is that you should get a well white collar government job. How much it is coming? Correct picture. 0.467 meters per second. QF square upon 140 to the power 1 by 6. Very good, Rajendra. You remember the formula also? Come on. Okay. Do this question. I want the answer because I know that some students will do mistake. See, I warned you. So, Tiksha, everybody, Dinesh, Rajendra, Salgar, everybody will do it. Then I will do this question. Because I know that maximum students will make mistake. If I'll tell you, then you will not rectify it. So, come on, guys. First, you guys will be telling me the answer. Some people might not remember the formula of sodium absorption ratio. Some people might have some other problem. Come on. I'm not going to tell this. Fast. You have to solve it. Come on guys, I'm waiting. Then I'll do this. Fast. I'm not going to do because n number of times I've done it, but still you guys do the same mistake. That's why I'm not doing this time. Fastly, fastly. See, you have to do it. Come on, Tiksha, everybody else. Dinesh, Salgar, Ramas. Come on. Fastly, beta. If you don't remember the formula file, I'll deal with the formula first. Na plus root over Ca2 plus Mg2 plus by 2. Come on, ma'am, please brief tell us about zero series. Ahmed, shall I complete the questions? Then shall I tell you? Will it be fine, beta? 12.37. Okay. Firstly, the one mistake is you can do is you will substitute it in mg per liter, but the units in which you have to substitute is in milli equivalents per liter. So when you talk about Na plus, it will be 450 divided by 23. When you talk about calcium, calcium will be 70 divided by how much? 20. When you talk about Mg2 plus, this will be 18 divided by 12. Divided by the equivalent weight. I have divided by the equivalent weight. So tell me, how much it will be coming? You want me to solve it? 450 divided by 23. So this will be, see, I am doing it in virtual calc, yeah? Why to tell lie if I am doing it? Yeah, I am doing it. 7 by 2, this I know, 3.5. 18 by 12, this will come out to be 1.5. So this will be 19.565 root over 3.5 plus 1.5 by 2. How much it is coming? 12.37? Correct. Everybody correct. So the first formula, second the units has to be in milli equivalents per liter. Okay? Come on, this question. Very simple. Discharge it is asking you in the question. Discharge. Discharge required. I think you are very much acquainted with the formula. First, you guys tell me. Harbar, I am the one who is solving it. Now you tell me. How will you calculate discharge? See, units का साथ कभी मत छोड़ना. Units धोखा नहीं देते. A by D. Come on. आ गया आंसर. Very good. 2880. तुम लोग ना मेरे सामने कैलकुलेटर मत यूज करो. तुम लोग वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर यूज करो गाइस. ऐसा चीटिंग मत करो. 8.64 B by D. So delta is given to you 0.90, 8.65. Base period is how much? 120. What is duty coming? First tell me duty. You can directly substitute the whole formula also. How much is the duty coming, guys? Duty. See? यार ये अपने आप ही back हो गए. हाँ चलो. This question. एक line में answer is in one line. The gross commanded area for our distributary is 6,000 hectares, 80% of which is cultivable, irrigable. The intensity of irrigation for Kharif is given to you. It is asking the whole area to be irrigated in Kharif season. This I am not going to do it. $1,200. Very good, Salkar, everybody. So gross commanded area will be how much? 80% of 6,000. How much it will come? ये गया 4,800 hectares. आंसर में दिया है. But intensity of irrigation दिया गया है. मतलब कितना irrigate होगा? 4,800 into 25 by 100. How much it will come out to be? 20. नहीं 1,200 आ रहा है ना. मैं कैलकुलेट कर लूँ भाई. I'm not good in solving manually. From the engineering time जब से calculator आया है, आदत हो गई है. 1200. Correct. This question. In an irrigation project in a certain year 60% and 46% of the cultivable command area in Kharif and Rabi is given to you. Now it is asking you intensity of irrigation in that year. How will you calculate? Come on. Very good, Salgar. Keep it up. So intensity of irrigation, how will you calculate? Area under Rabi crop plus area under Kharif crop. So Rabi crop, if you talk about, this will be 2. I have to talk now. Rabi crop will be 100 minus 46 and Kharif crop will be 100 minus 60. How much it will come? 94%. अभी तो आया है बार्क का सालगर. Okay, fine. So now we'll deal with the next question. The next question with you is, this is very simple question. You guys can answer it. Moisture depth available for evapotranspiration in the root zone of 1.5 meter depth of soil. Come on. Dry weight of the soil is 1.5 gram per cc. Field capacity 0.30. Permanent wilting point 12%, 0.12. So now how you'll calculate the moisture depth? Field capacity minus permanent wilting point is equal to gamma W dW gamma D into T. dW, you have to calculate 1.5. Answer please. Very good. Oh, one student's name is only hydrology. Wow. छिपकली, crocodile, hydrology. कोई environment वाला भी आ जाओ भाई. Okay, good. Fine. Last question. ये तो बता दोगे? 4. Last question. Elementary profile of dam है. Come on. Guys, faster. कि डाउट्स कैसे पूछे तो एक कॉमेंट्स you require. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard. And scholarship test link is in the description, guys. Do give the test so that you can know your rank as well. Thank you.